let's talk about the sales pitch. Now, a sales pitch is a fairly short, sharp introduction of yourself and what you do so you can connect with somebody to do business. You also hear the word called elevator sales pitch. That is a very shorter version of that. Now, as you all know, an elevator is a place you are generally stuck with a group of people for a short period of time. And that's an example of an opportunity that you have with a captive audience to connect with someone. And if you're a business-focused person, that's a great networking opportunity. But you got to connect with someone within 30 seconds because when you hit the next flow, you're going to lose that contact into thin air. Hence the term elevator sales pitch. But is it important for you to have your elevator sales pitch practiced so you are ready to share it with somebody at moments like what we spoke about? It could be at a social gathering, it could be at a networking event. Of course, to make this work, you got to believe that connections and contacts are important and that doing business is a contact sport, just like rugby. More contacts, more business. Hence, the need to focus on your elevator sales pitch. So what goes into a great elevator sales pitch? Of course, you got to have your name. And you also might be indicating what company that you work for. So these two factors are part and parcel, just like a sandwich. Your name and the company. But what matters is what you put in the middle of the sandwich, the filling. So what goes into a filling of a sales pitch? One of the common factors could be your expertise. What problem does your company solve? Remember, not what you do, what problem does your company solve? The second thing is to use insightful data. And as you all know, data gets people linked to a conversation. Example, 25% of Sri Lankans are now on Facebook. Now that's going to light a bulb in the contact in front of you. And if you are a digital marketing company, that's an insightful data that can be part of your sales pitch. And the third factor is an intriguing question. A question that gets the person in front of you to think, did you know how many Sri Lankans are buying branded clothing? Now you don't expect the prospect to answer the question, but you yourself will give the answer, and that's the answer that your company is involved in providing a solution in. So a sales pitch is a short and sharp, persuasive argument about what you do and what problem your company can solve. And there are three factors that can go into a successful sales pitch. So start practicing your sales pitch because your next important contact could be around the bend and might appear in front of you with no advance notice. Happy selling. To watch more videos from Snipexx, click the subscribe button below.